Um, Tesla is the perfect example of tapping into an existing market of people that like believe in the power of technology. And what people don't know is that a lot of the interaction design, and that's like the specific discipline of like designing software. And I've been making an effort to make that distinction on this podcast, right? Was done by one of the original interaction designers of the iPhone. Apple grew not because it made a bunch of like big ads. It grew because the smartest, most creative leaders in the world were like, oh, people like us use Macs. And if you want to be a creative person, you need a Mac, like if you want to be like creative, and it was like there's an element to marketing where it's like, yeah, find the tastemakers.